Awesome. Thanks for confirming. Just to double check, I have your business name as iChatLabs, your website as iChatLabs.com, and your email as jithins123@gmail.com. Does that all sound right?
Yeah, that's all correct.
We are transferring you to the demo agent.
This call will be recorded for quality purposes. Hey Jithin, this is Danny. Welcome to iChatLabs. How can I help you today?
Hey, Danny, how are you?
I'm doing great, Jithin. Thanks for asking. How about you? What's on your mind today?
I am looking for some more information about your business. What services do you guys offer?
Absolutely. At iChatLabs, we specialize in helping small businesses streamline their sales and marketing through technology. We offer tools like ICRM, which combines customer data, sales pipelines, and marketing campaigns into one platform, and iBot, an AI-powered chatbot that automates tasks and improves customer engagement. Plus, we provide mobile accessibility so you can manage everything on the go. We also create custom solutions tailored to different industries like real estate, coaching, retail, and more. Does that sound like what you're looking for?
Yeah, that sounds like what I'm looking for. But
Great.
I think I just want to change a few things. Is it possible to talk to the previous guy?
Got it. Let me transfer you back to Sam so you can discuss those changes. One moment.
Hey there, Jithin. Welcome to Voice Receptionist Demo. How are you doing?
Hey, we just had a chat. You remember?
Yes, I do. We spoke earlier about setting up a demo for your business, iChatLabs, with the website echatlabs.com and your email, jithins123@gmail.com. Are you still exploring the virtual receptionist for your business?
Yeah, but I just want to change the business actually. I just remembered that I want this for another business. Is that possible?
Absolutely, Jithin. We can update the business details for you. Could you share the name of the new business?
So today I'm going to show you how you can install self-selling voice AI agent. So all you have to do is go into your marketplace and find this agent and install it, and it's free for you to use. So let's get started. First of all, you come to AI agents, click on voice AI, and then you come here on click create agent, and then click on browse marketplace. Click continue, then you would see self-selling Sam and one more agent. So this is a 2 agent bundle. So to install it, you just click here and then click install. But before we install, let me walk you through these 2 agents. So self-selling Sam is the first agent that you give a call to, and then Sam would ask you your business details, your business name, and the URL for your business website. And once you give all these details, Sam would then go and scrape the data from your website and transfer that call to the second agent, which is Demo Danny. So Danny then would have understanding of your business. Then Danny would answer all the questions based on the data that is scraped from the website that you have provided. And then you would see in real time how Danny is going to act as the receptionist for your business by answering questions based on your business information. So that's how it is set up. So you first give a call to Sam, and Sam would transfer it to Danny, and then Danny would act as your virtual receptionist. So in the same call itself, you can see how one agent is going to capture the details, and the second agent is going to sell virtual receptionist for the business name mentioned. So now that's out of the way, let's go and install this. Click install and allow and install. This would then install the 2 agents and the workflows that are required. And you refresh this page, you will see 2 agents here. First agent is self-selling Sam and second agent is Demo Danny. So now here is how you can set this up properly. First of all, you go into self-selling Sam, and first thing you need to do is click on phone and availability and update the phone number. So this is a demo account, so I don't have a phone number, but in your account you should have phone numbers. Even if you don't have a phone number, you can straight away buy a phone number and start using it, because for phone numbers, you don't really need A2P. So you can buy and start using the phone number straight away. So you can click here to buy a phone number if you want to. And once that is done, select the phone number from this and click save. You can go back to your agent list and do the same for the second agent as well. Go to phone and availability, update the phone number. So once you added phone numbers to these two agents, what you need to do is go back to the first agent again, and then you go into agent goals and you set up a proper transfer between these two agents by clicking on the custom action call transfer call to demo agent. Click on that, and then you can go here and update the phone number of your second agent or the demo agent. So here you should copy and paste Danny's phone number. Once you've done that, click save, and you go back to second agent, which is Danny, and do the same. You go into agent goals and click here and add Sam's phone number here. So in this way, when Sam needs to transfer the call to Danny, he will be able to do that. Similarly, when Danny needs to transfer the call back to Sam, Danny can also do that. Once that is done, you are good to go. All you have to do is give your first call to the first agent. So make sure that you are giving the call to Sam first, so that Sam can grab the details of your business, such as your business name, website URL, and such, and transfer those data to Danny, and then Danny would act as your virtual receptionist. And again, a couple of things to remember. If you are testing it out, please test it with actual values. So if you are using something like an example.com or google.com just to do a random testing, this wouldn't work, because in the back end, it actually goes to the website homepage and scrape the data from that homepage. So if you are giving some random website URL, it is going to fail because there won't be any data on that website page. So please give an actual value when you are testing out. You can use your own business website URL to test it out. So please don't use anything random, then it wouldn't work. So two things to consider: use a proper website URL to test, and give Sam the first call so that Sam can grab those details and the whole demo would work seamlessly. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm looking forward to your feedback. Thank you.